Let's talk about index funds for beginners. But first, let me ask you, have you ever talked to a guy who has been saving into an index fund for 10 years and have regretted it? Let me know in the comment section below if you have, because I certainly haven't. And when it comes to starting investing in index funds, it can feel really daunting and difficult, and you will see videos here on YouTube where people talk about loads, no load funds, different management fees, calculations on compounding effects over time. Well, just start, just jump in, just do it. If this were dieting, this would be like you stopping to eat junk food all of a sudden and then eating something else. It will get you results. You will get great beginner gains. And what I hear from people who have been in the market for a couple of years is that they really felt happy about starting to invest in index funds once they started to see how the money was building up. So they would automate the system and then they would log in after a couple of months and they couldn't believe their eyes on the amount that was staring them back from their account. So just get started. Don't mind making a few mistakes. Just get in there and let time do its thing with your investments. Right? That's been it for this video. And as always, hope you make a ton of money, whatever investments you decide to make. Take care now. Bye bye.